both please tell me your full names?
Benjamin James Potter.
Amanda Shaw.
And are you both happy to proceed?
I am.
I am.
Excellent. Are you all right to take a seat, please? Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to extend an extremely warm welcome to you all here at Woodstock on this very special occasion for Ben and Amanda. I'm sure it means a great deal to them both to have you with them here today, joining in their celebrations. My name's Tim Brenchley, and I'll be conducting the ceremony. And to my side is Sabina Peck, the registrar, who will arrange for the marriage documents to be signed. We trust this will be the start of a very happy and memorable day for you. Today, Ben and Amanda will declare their freedom to marry, then they will exchange vows which will unite them as husband and wife. Through these vows, they are making a commitment to one another for the rest of their lives. And finally, they will exchange rings as an outward sign of the promises they will make to one another. This place in which we're now met has been duly sanctioned according to law for the celebration of marriages. You're here to witness the joining in matrimony of Benjamin James Potter and Amanda Shaw. For Ben and Amanda, today's ceremony is a public declaration of the love they have for one another. However, if any person here knows of any lawful reason why they may not be married today, you must declare it now. In a marriage, two people become as one, bringing a richness and a diversity to a partnership that alone cannot be achieved. Before you're joined in matrimony, I have to remind you of the solemn and binding character of the vows you're both about to make. Marriage in this country means the union of two people voluntarily entered into for life to the exclusion of all others. I will now ask each of you in turn to declare that you do not know of any lawful reason why you should not be married to each other. So if you just reply, I am at the end.
Yeah.
Are you Benjamin James Potter, free lawfully to marry Amanda Shaw?
I am.
Are you Amanda Shaw, free lawfully to marry Benjamin James Potter?
I am.
We've now reached the most important part of the ceremony, where these two persons will say the words which form the contract of the marriage before you, their witnesses. So, Amanda, do you want to hand the flowers to? You just turn and face each other and hold hands. So, if you just repeat after me. I, Benjamin James Potter,
I, Benjamin James Potter,
take you, Amanda Shaw,
take you, Amanda Shaw,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
Do you, Ben, promise to care for Amanda always and to keep your love and friendship as it is today and to share your hopes and dreams always?
I do.
Repeat after me. I, Amanda Shaw,
I, Amanda Shaw.
take you, Benjamin James Potter,
Take you, Benjamin James Potter.
to be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
Do you, Amanda, promise to care for Ben and always keep your love and friendship as it is today and to share your hopes and dreams always?
I do.
We now come to the exchange of the rings. The wedding ring is an unbroken circle and symbolises unending and everlasting love. It's an outward sign of the lifelong promise you're making to each other. So please can I ask Kyle to present the rings? Managed to remember. So Ben, if you could take Amanda's ring, please. You just place it on her finger and repeat after me, please. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our marriage
as a symbol of our marriage
and the sharing of our lives together.
and the sharing of our lives together.
Amanda, would you like to take Ben and place it on his finger? Repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our marriage
as a symbol of our marriage
and the sharing of our lives together.
and the sharing of our lives together.
You've now made the declarations required by law, and you've made a solemn and binding contract with each other, symbolised by the giving and receiving of rings. This has been witnessed by everyone gathered here today. The feelings you have today are precious, so keep them safe and reflect upon them from time to time. Both my colleagues Sabina and I hope you have a very long and happy life together, and it's now my great pleasure and privilege to declare you are husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Congratulations.
you want me to sing instead? I'll ask if you want to. I'm not going to. You missed speech, have I good? Anyway, thank you for all coming. You always get a good turnout when there's free food. Especially Paley. Anyway, I'd just like to welcome Mr. Potter into our family. He come to our house 2 years ago and he's finally left. I'd like to thank bridesmaids. They look lovely, don't they? Can you give them a quick round of applause?
Bridesmen.
And as bridesmen, I've never heard them called that. I was going to call them little men boys, but...
Nice one, Charlie.
Oh, this is him, is it?
Yeah.
Right.
I've been pre-warned.
Yes, I have. Can I just say, thanks for becoming my second son.
Thank you.
And when are we going to get some more little feet to tap in the back? So, can you all put your glasses together? Amanda and Benjamin. Do you want to sing?
Thank you for that, Philip. Just like to thank everybody for being here today. Ben.
I'm not.
It's an honour to be stood here today in front of you all. Couldn't be happier for the two of you. Really glad that we're all here celebrating this day together. I'm sure everyone here is as shocked as I am that you've actually managed to find someone that you could love more than yourself. I've known Ben now for about 10 years. 10 years too long, to be honest. Most of the stories that I could share with you are probably inappropriate. I think Amanda would probably leave it tomorrow if I shared them.
I can't swear.
Clear to see from the start how happy you both were, and thankfully for me, he found a replacement for me as his best friend. Wish you both all the best. I hope there's many happy years to come. I'd like to say thank you for asking me to be your best man, Ben. It's been an honour. And could we all please stand up and raise a glass to the two of them?
Right, can't follow them two to be honest, so they're short and sweet. Just want to say thank you to John and Dave for welcoming me to family like they have done. They've been absolutely fantastic to me. They're so generous as well, to be honest. Without them today, none of this could have happened. So thank you to you too. That's it really, thank you all for coming. Oh no, how beautiful does my wife look like that? My beautiful wife. Cheers.
Woo!
We're done. Carry on. Go on. Carry on. That's what's good.
I will stay.